Hello, beautiful people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a hearty salmon salad with quinoa and honey lime avocado dressing. Let's get started. I'm using tricolor quinoa, romaine lettuce and green leaf lettuce, salmon fillet, onions, cherry tomatoes. I have hard-boiled eggs, cucumber, celery, green scallion, and avocado. I'll first begin cooking my quinoa. So I have here 2 cups of water that I've put in my pot, and then I have 1 cup of washed quinoa. I'll add it to the water, and then I'll add a half a teaspoon of salt. I'll cover, and then I'll allow it to boil for about 15 minutes. Whilst that is boiling, I'll then season my salmon with salt and black pepper, and I'll be seasoning both sides of the salmon. You only need salt and pepper to season the salmon. You don't need any other seasoning. I'll turn them back over again, and then I'll move over to my pan to sear my salmon. I'll drizzle about a tablespoon of oil to my pot, and then I'll pan sear my salmon for about 4 minutes or until it is golden and crisp. I'll carefully flip the salmon fillet and continue cooking it on the other side for 4 to 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes and my salmon is perfectly cooked. I'll remove it from the pan and then set that on the side and allow it to cool. It's been about 15 minutes and the quinoa is perfectly cooked as well. Now, before you put the quinoa in your salad, please allow the quinoa to cool down completely. My salmon has cooled to room temperature. I'll use a fork to flick the salmon into bite-sized pieces, and then I'll set that on the side. Now let's begin making the salad. I'll begin by cutting my greens. I'll start with the green leaf lettuce. I'll arrange it inside my salad bowl, and then I'll move on to cut up my romaine lettuce also. I will arrange it on top of my green leaf lettuce. I'll then cut up my celery. You can use any vegetables of choice in making the salad. You don't have to use these vegetables. And then I will arrange everything in a roll. I've cut up my cucumber also. I'm cutting up my green scallion or green onion. I will arrange that also in a roll. I'll add my red onion, and then I will be adding my quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain. It is naturally gluten-free, a good source of protein, higher in fiber than many grains, high in important vitamins and minerals. I recommend you involve this in your salad anytime you're making a hearty, healthy salad. My hard-boiled eggs is cut in wedges, and then I will arrange that in a roll as well. I'll then add the main ingredient, which is my pan-seared salmon. It is absolutely delicious and healthy. This is one of my favorite salad. And then my avocado comes in. I would not make a salad without avocado, guys. And I recommend you keep the avocado seed for avocado seed tea. I will be sharing that very soon. Okay, and then I'll cut up my avocados in small bits into my salad. Lastly, I have my cherry tomatoes, which I'm cutting them in wedges as well. And that is going into the salad, and I will arrange it right next to the salmon. Okay, and my salad is pretty much done. And look at how beautiful it looks. I'll set that on the side and begin making my dressing. I'll combine a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 garlic cloves, and then 1 avocado cut up. I'll squeeze a half a lime into the blender, adding about a half a cup of water, a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, salt, black pepper, and cumin. I'll cover and then I'll blend until smooth. My homemade salad dressing is all done blending. I'll pour it into a dressing jar. I'll cover it up, give it a nice shake, and I'm ready to enjoy this with my hearty salmon salad. This is what we're having for dinner. And guys, I hope you try this and give me a feedback. It is healthy, it is hearty, and everything that you would want in a salad. And I'm enjoying my salad with my honey lime avocado dressing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you all. Thank you for being part of this family. If you're a new subscriber, a warm welcome to you. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment. Hit that notification bell so anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.